Oxford Academia is a residential summer school program for high school students, grades 9 to 12, that gives them opportunities to explore academic subjects and creative arts, and to do so with some of the top scholars and most passionate teachers there are anywhere in the world.
The theater scene is wonderful here. There are just playhouses and theaters all around Oxford.
A lot of our class time has been spent on visiting the world-class museums.
Getting to know them at a personal level, it's been an amazing experience.
Oxford Academia is really designed for high-achieving, curious students who want to be part of engaging seminars that also do a lot of field work.
I chose this program because I thought it was going to be an amazing experience, and so far it has been.
We have learned how to take blood pressure, do a lot of tests to see if the arteries are filling properly.
It's been very easy to get to know people. You kind of just come up to them and say hi because no one really knows anyone else.
It's helped my social skills, getting to meet new people.
It's really prepared me for college. I feel like I can be a lot more self-sufficient, a lot more mature, better at directions and getting myself places.
It's been so fun.
Oxford Academia is fun and stimulating, but it also can be life transforming in a really meaningful way. And I've seen that happen with kids over and over again.